Hey guys, so we're in Pigeon Forge, obviously there was the old mill. I just want to make a quick video and show you where they're fixing the bridge back there. I'm gonna walk over there. You can't get far, but I want to show you what they're doing. It's so weird not to see the tree over there. Oh my gosh, it's so weird. This is where the tree was, right there. Man. And what I'm gonna do is, when we leave here, come over here and I'm gonna show you. You're doing a lot of work here. Look at that. The pottery house, the appetizers.
A keypad cover thing. I've never seen anything like that.
No, just the protection.
Protect it from your dirty fingers.
I got one too.
What you can do is obviously pause the video.
I totally need one of those. I have coffee splotches all over mine.
It's just it's very soft to touch too.
Kids menu.
Satisfying. I need a new one.
Chicken tenders. You ordered fried chicken livers?
Well, there's an appetizer. There's a meal and there's an appetizer, so I just got an appetizer.
Right.
I absolutely love that thing. With the sauce that they serve it.
I'm gonna try it.
Good
again.
fried vegetables.
Babe.
Tell you I don't like it.
Yeah, exactly.
Tried to make
Oatmeal
myself like
chicken pot pie.
years. And
Yeah.
I keep trying and I keep trying and I keep trying.
Yeah.
Never clicks.
Never acquired.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Let's see if today's definitely.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It's a cute
And the
mug.
sandwiches.
Yeah, that's all you need, bro. You need about what? 5 of
Yeah, I can
those?
have some.
Six of
Oh,
those?
thank you.
And the hamburgers.
Making all kinds of pottery stuff.
Yeah. You only need about 6 of those. You know.
Is it possible to add salmon? Yes. Okay. I don't want blue cheese dressing or the blue cheese crumbles or bacon. And I just want the balsamic vinaigrette and cheese. Okay. With salmon on it. And I would like to have a
Is that all?
You want that just the way it comes, or would you like to modify this?
8 years you've been with her, huh?
Yeah. I'll do the baby red and the praline pork chop. And instead of mashed potatoes,
Oh, you substitute?
Oh, Eric doing a substitute over here. Man.
I don't like blue cheese.
You're not gonna touch that?
No, no.
No?
I might have one, but it'll be like Eric is like not a huge fan.
Yeah.
These are the chicken livers, and I just jokingly said, we're gonna stay away from these.
Well, more for me.
But you
It's
know,
got a lot of protein. It's really good for you.
I'm gonna try it. Okay, we're gonna do
It's like
this.
the best protein out there.
Really?
Yes, one of the
Okay.
best. Look it
Okay.
up.
Besides eggs.
Yeah, it's got like 24 grams of protein.
Listen to her. Man.
Yeah, try it.
The Arnold Schwarzenegger with the grams and the protein.
Oh yeah, and I'm iron deficient.
Okay.
So I need to eat this.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and her
Are you?
company called Rad-Design.
Oh my god.
She didn't even know I was filming. Rad-Design. So when I make the video, it's gonna pop up Rad-Design. Pop, pop, pop. Okay. I've never had chicken liver
Like, yeah,
before.
man, come in, let me
Ready?
show you around, and like took me to get. Of course, he likes to brag every time how much he makes in a day. Yeah, working over there.
Goodness, that was good.
Get a part-time coffee.
Got a burger. What are you eating, Mr. Lucky?
That's a triple decker with some French onion soup.
Eric, what are you eating?
The praline pork chop.
What are you eating, my dear?
French onion with red salad and salmon.
And you own Rad Designs, right?
Yes, I own Rad-Design.
Awesome.
And Lance Lucky own
Yes.
a coffee shop.
Lucky.
Across the street.
That's the Lucky Hushy over there. All right. I ordered the
It has to
bacon
be a good
cheeseburger barbecue.
Is everything good?
Yeah, thank you.
Because you know how they have those bacon, the
Look
preserved
at that. I
bacon,
ordered it medium.
cheap bacon from the
Bacon
bag.
bits, yeah.
Bacon bits, I don't like it. I like a real bacon.
They do use real bacon here. Pretty sure.
This burger is amazing.
This French onion soup is so good.
Look at the cakes.
Thank you.
Carrot cake. Oh,
That's probably a lot from Central.
all right. Look at this. Oh, that was fun. That was fun. Look at the mountains. Beautiful. So I just met the owner of the old Forge Distillery. I'm gonna go over there and say hi in a moment after I put this in my car. That's what you call networking, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, that is so weird not to see the tree there.